Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel FA Hub. In previous video, I have shown you how to import CAD file in Revit software. In this video, I am going to show how to set levels and draw the walls on a plan. Let's get started. Go to Elevations, click on East. Here, default wall height is 10 feet. We need to add a slab thickness, that is 6 inches. Click on 10 feet 6 inches, that is overall wall height and slab thickness. See, if you want to paste it different levels, go to architecture, click on level, use pick lines, click on it and give a offset of 10 feet 6 inches. By this you can select levels. After selecting levels, go to floor plans level 1. Now how to draw walls. Click on wall. Here you can see different types of walls. In this I am using 8 inches masonry wall, but in this plan I have given outer wall as 9 inches and inner wall as 4.5 inches, but we are having 8 inches wall. No need to worry. Click on edit type. We can change the property. Click on duplicate. Give it a name as 9 inches wall. OK. Click on edit. Change it here as 9 inches. OK. Again click on duplicate. 4.5 inches. OK. Edit. 4.5 inches. OK. Now I'm selecting 9 inches wall. We can draw wall from starting point. Check the wall is getting in center. To change it, click escape. Click on location line. Change here. Finish face exterior. Now you can observe the wall is getting in line like this. You can draw outer walls. See, we have drawn outer walls. Click on 3D view to check whether walls have drawn or not. See, the walls have been drawn. If you want a realistic view, go to visual style, click here, realistic. See, this is how you can draw the wall. Again go to floor plans level 1. Now click on walls, click on 4.5 inches, which is inner wall. Same. See, again it came outside. So again you no need to go to location line and change. By using spacebar you can change the direction. See, this is the simple process. Like this we can draw the walls on a plan. Go to 3D view. See, walls have been drawn. This is the process how to draw the walls. You can check the difference here. Outer wall is 9 inches, inner wall is 4.5 inches. Go to east. Once go to elevation, click on east. But we have given a wall height is 10 feet, but it is taken more than 10 feet. So we have to change the height of the wall. To change height, click on wall, see unconnected. Give height is 10 feet. Enter. The wall height have been changed. So go to 3D view. By using match property command, we can change the size of the walls. Go to modify, match property, select the wall you and select it different walls. By this you can change wall dimensions. Okay, but you should not use wall property when you have selected 9 inches wall to 4.5 inches, because the wall becomes 9 inches. So again you have to escape it, select this wall, give a default height as 10 feet, enter. Now by using match property you can change. Escape. See, this is the process how to draw walls on this plan. Okay, in next videos I'm going to show how to draw roof and floor, and how to place a components such as doors and windows in this plan. If you like this video, please like to our channel, and for more interesting videos please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.